Bad luck, Tigers.
Wait, I've got an idea.
Hi. I want 6 tickets to Asses of Fire.
This movie might not be appropriate for your little one.
Hey, he says this movie isn't appropriate for you.
Look, Mr. Homeless Guy, if you don't want to buy us tickets and not get your $10 and not go buy yourself a bottle of vodka, then be my guest.
6 tickets, please.
Let me have some candy, Cartman. Oh, let's see. Nope, I don't have any Jewish candy. What, you really need all that chocolate, fat boy? Blah, 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 blah. Shh, the movie's starting. Hooray!
Say, Taz, what did the Spanish priest say to the Uranian gynecologist?
I don't know, Philip. What? Where do they come up with this stuff? You're such a pig fucker, Philip. What did he say?
Terrence, why would you call me a pig fucker?
Well, let's see. First of all, you fuck pigs.
Oh, yeah.
Well, suck my ass and call me a bitch.
Oh, you shit-faced cockmaster.
Wow, shit-faced cockmaster. Listen, you donkey-raising shit-eater. Donkey-raising shit-eater. Don't be big, cheese-eater. Kid, fuck your uncle.